Kurt from Rocket showed up this morning, brought us some goodies. It's Friday, 1 o'clock. Kind of in a holding pattern. Spitting rain, rained all night last night. It's a muddy mess out here. Air conditioner's still not working the best. We had a creek running through here.
You flew for Southwest.
So we're just playing the waiting game. Well, it's 3:45. We're unloaded and pretty much ready to rock for tonight. The sun decided to come out. That's a good thing. Looks like we're going to race tonight.
You guys have all drawn, haven't you?
Nope. We had to scoot back because there's a river running when it rains about right between the tires on the trailer, and that would have been running right through the middle of the car, which is no bueno. So we're getting things done. Sun come out and it got hot again. What do you think, Jace?
It's hot.
That it is. 78 cars signed in here tonight. We will be the 36th out of 39 cars in Group A to qualify. Long road to hold. We'll see what we got. Drivers meeting's going on now. Hot laps, we're at 5:30, about 25 minutes. Made a bunch of changes to the rear end of this thing for qualifying. Be coming up shortly. First 12 cars qualified already. We're 37 out of 39 in Group A. We'll see what happens. Well, that sucked. 29th out of 39 cars. The track just progressively got slower and slower.
You got all you could get with it.
So we will be in the first or second 25 lap main tonight. Top 4 lock into tomorrow night's feature. Well, we will roll off 15th in the feature number 1, 25 laps. Top 4 lock into tomorrow night.
Coming up here shortly. Darren's crawling in. They've already blew the 10-minute horn.
what you can get. And I got a feeling the in-car cameras are going to be covered in mud.
I'm like, you went boom, and she just went.
Because for a while, I mean, I wasn't never near him, but like I could see RTJ, and we were just maintaining. And I looked up, and I'm like, he's gone. And I seen he was up top, and I'm like, well, I better get up top and get us.
Well, right before red, like I felt like it was like we were pushing people around, and we just
Had nowhere to go.
She was like, did it feel the same?
We got on that bottom though.
I felt like we were good. Better than we were driving.
Yeah, teams. Yeah, for sure.
Well, that's from where the tire blew apart. But hey, that's still good.
That puts us deep tomorrow if we even do anything, if we get her out of the box. Looking at the weather forecast, they may not get it in tomorrow. So after our qualifier Friday night, Daryn went over and talked to B Shep and the Rocket One crew. He gave him some ideas, or told him some stuff to change on the front end. Saturday morning we got up. It rained all night Friday night. Got up, made breakfast, looked at the lineup. We would be starting 14th and B main number 2, taking the top 2. Looked at the weather forecast. Knew it was going to rain. It was just how much and how long. We went ahead and made a team decision to just go ahead and come home, as opposed to sitting there all day to get rained out, which is a decision we were all happy we made. We left about noon. Rains came about 9 o'clock. They had a 3-hour rain delay. The feature started close to 1 o'clock and didn't get over to close to 3 o'clock. So not the PDC we were hoped for, but got some stuff we're going to change on the car. Daryn's actually going to do it tomorrow, being Thursday, and give it a try. We are taking this weekend off to regroup, figure out what's wrong with the air conditioner on the trailer. Next Friday night, we'll be back with Mars at Sycamore, and Saturday night at the Mighty Macon. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. For those of you that keep asking, I was not at Farmer City for the flip, so there is no video from that. It's done. It's over with. We're done with it. Catch you all later.